Making money online by clicking is perhaps one of the most attractive ways to make money in the world. It may not earn you much, but many people around the world are interested in spending their free time with such sites. Today we will introduce two of these sites, but before starting the tutorial, be sure to subscribe and click on the notifications. Number 1, GBPlanet. It is a reliable site where you can earn money online by clicking and completing simple tasks. Registration on this site is completely free. Cash out your earnings to Skrill, Neteller, Pyre, Perfect Money, or your Bitcoin wallet. The minimum to cash out is just $1, but you can use these types of sites for advertising. For example, if you are on affiliate marketing sites, leave your links to the advertising section of these types of sites. As I said at the beginning, you should not accept to get rich from these types of sites. Number 2, Scarlet Cliffs. This site is similar to the previous site where you can earn by clicking and doing very simple things. For example, earn up to 1 cent per click, $2 minimum payout payments via Skrill, Neteller, RTM, Pyre, and Bitcoin. Earn up to 100% referral earning. Details, statistics of your REF clicks. Professional supports. There is also an advertising section on this site where you can easily post your links at very low cost. In fact, many different people in the world do the same things and give their marketing or referral links to such sites. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.